Good morning, Mary. I just wanted to give you a quick tutorial on Beachbody On Demand, basically just show you what's offered. So I'm going to share my screen with you. Here is beachbodyondemand.com. You can filter it in a couple of different ways, by length, by program type, and by intensity. For instance, if you wanted to do cardio, here are the programs that offer cardio. I've done 80-day obsession. I've done a little obsessed, clean week. Shift shop is a lot of high intensity stuff. Court of Force is mixed martial arts. T25. I'm doing a live video, so thank you, Ty. So I just wanted to show you what's available and that there are quite a few. You can also, I know you do CrossFit. There is also stuff available on Beachbody On Demand. If for some reason you couldn't get to the gym, I'm sure you can, but there are a number of bodybuilding, weightlifting programs also on Beachbody On Demand that you can do at home. And I know you said that you are already set with nutrition, but there is an awesome program just if you're ever looking for new recipes. There's a program called Fixate, and it offers hundreds of recipes for breakfast, lunch, dinners, snacks, cocktails, everything. So anyway, I really just wanted to show you what's out there and what's available. No pressure, but now at least you kind of see what works for me. Thanks, Mary.